Do you know how to use multiple WhatsApp and Facebook in a single phone? As we know today, everyone facing a lots of economical challenges. Multiple businesses is a basic need of everyone to control their expenses and economical challenges. And because of multiple businesses, we are using multiple phones for just WhatsApp and Facebook to manage their businesses. But it's very difficult and expensive to manage multiple phones at the same time. Like expenses of many phones, many internet services, charging availability, and lots of others problems. So, why we should not use just a single phone to use multiple WhatsApp and Facebook accounts, but how it's possible. Okay, let me explain. It's a very simple and very useful idea for you. Open your main menu apps. Click on the Settings app. Then click on Advanced Features. And then click on Dual Messenger. Now last click on WhatsApp and Facebook to get copies on your app screen.